What is biohacking?
Well, did your mother ever tell you stop inhaling your food?
Sure, and chew each bite 32 times. Why 32? It sounds ridiculous.
But it's not. You know, it may be mother's advice, but it's based in science. By chewing your food more, you make digestion easier, which means more energy for you. And it actually takes less energy to chew your food to support digestion than if you leave it for your stomach to break it down.
More chewing, less food comas. Our moms were biohacking experts and we didn't even know it.
Exactly. Simply put, biohacking is the ability to speed up a result in our own biology. Quick tricks and tips to impact our mental and physical health. And more importantly, it's about doing it in a way that integrates into our busy lives.
Biohacking is not about giving anything up.
And it's definitely not about the latest fad diet.
It's not a gym membership.
Or an exclusive meditation retreat, and you don't need a PhD to understand how to do it.
And it doesn't take up all of your time.
Okay, so what is biohacking then?
Biohacking is the practice of reconnecting to our nervous system and re-energizing our mitochondria, the battery packs of our cells, by adding some simple practices to our lives.
Like chewing your food more.
We can noticeably calm the mind, grow our cognitive and physical energy, and recapture that natural vitality that we were born with. At its core, biohacking focuses on our breath, sleep, light, movement, nutrition, and human connection.
So you might be wondering, why give biohacking a try?
Because biohacking gives you quick and impactful results. We're talking about something that takes very little time and effort.
And it means learning from others and being part of a community of support and a hub for accessible information and knowledge.
It means bypassing your fear response. You know that stressful sense of anticipation before you attempt something new? The one that often stops us from even beginning?
Yeah, none of that. And it means you can keep eating your pizza and enjoying your wine. There's no elimination and no going cold turkey here.
Like I said, biohacking is about reconnecting our brains to our bodies through our nervous system. Then we can take advantage of our body's natural energy to make every day your best day ever.
Yeah, and Clear Impact is the place to start. Biohacking for beginners. We provide you the tools to cut your own path and share it with others. Explore the Clear Impact community, engage in simple, impactful practices, and energize your life.
Check out our core areas of biohacking to give it a try. Our video on heart rate variability, or HRV breathing, is the best place to start.
Okay, now go chew your food.
That's on film. Your clapping thing is on film. Watch
Merci,
the elbow.
merci.
Watch the elbow.
Watch the elbow. Watch the elbow.
How about pop, pop?
All right.
Awesome.
Can we order some pizza?